If you're a gadget geek, then you need to tune in. The iPhone 16 is packed with some jaw-dropping features. Let's check out the top 10. Number 1. The unbelievable 3D holographic display. Imagine FaceTime calls where it feels like you're in the same room. Number 2. The hyper-fast A18 Bionic chip. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless multitasking. Number 3. The revolutionary quad-lens camera system. Capture every moment with stunning clarity, day or night. Number 4. Instant charge technology. Get 50% battery in just 10 minutes. Perfect for those always on the go. Number 5. The all-new iOS 18. Packed with features that make your life easier and more fun. Number 6. Enhanced privacy settings. Because your data security matters. Number 7. The ultra-thin design. Sleek, stylish, and fits perfectly in your hand. Number 8. The immersive stereo sound. Perfect for music lovers and movie buffs alike. Number 9. Advanced AR capabilities. Transform your surroundings into an interactive playground. And finally, number 10. The all-new Eco Mode. Save battery life and the planet all at once. So what are you waiting for? The iPhone 16 is the future in your pocket.